I'm really excited to be here introducing to you all about the People's Choice Awards. I think the most unique thing about the People's Choice Awards is that it's a people's choice, and it is probably one of the first awards that are across various categories nominated by the people who watch their favorite entertainers. I mean, the way I see it, if you can vote for politicians, you should be able to vote for your favorite entertainers too. This is a democracy. I hope they end up becoming extremely great. I've seen the US version of these awards a lot of times, and I think Colors is the best platform to be presenting these awards.
Donor is in the house again, and for a change, I'm going to donate some surprises at People's Choice Awards. And I'm really proud to be part of this property because it's very unique. It's the most democratic award show in the history of Indian television.
I think more than anything, इसकी खासियत यही है कि ये audience voting के awards हैं. It is the people's award. It is everybody sitting here, people who like entertainment, उनका award ceremony है. And more than that, I think इसकी खास बात ये है कि it's not just one category. ये सिर्फ फिल्मी awards नहीं है या सिर्फ sports awards नहीं है. इसमें काफ़ी अलग-अलग किस्म के categories हैं जिसमें awards जीत सकते हैं in entertainment, which is great.
Since I've hosted a lot of television shows, but I managed to touch the right chord with Vicky Donor because of its unique character. Similarly, People's Choice Awards is also very unique in character because it's not just felicitating people from the entertainment sector, but also from sports like television, films, music, and sports. और sports में सिर्फ cricket नहीं होता है. हम आम जिंदगी में रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में नज़रअंदाज कर देते हैं बाकी खेल कूद की events को. So we are also going to create celebs out of the humble achievers. So I would like to thank PNG and Colors for this very transparent and honest endeavor, and it will change the Indian award show scenario completely.
I love live acts, and I always try and do something different. And that's what I will be doing at the People's Choice Award this time too. And I thought that when I was approached to introduce the awards to the press, I was very, very honored.
I've hosted award shows in the past, so this is nothing new. But of course, I'm not just an anchor. I'm also sitting here and answering the questions. So I think it's a bigger platform by far as compared to the past.
See, I always try and do something or the other that's different for every performance of mine because, like Mr. Raj said, there are a lot of award functions and I love live stage and I enjoy creatively making something different happen. And this year will be an extremely fun and different kind of act as well. I can't divulge in it yet right now because then there'll be no point. Everybody won't be surprised, but it'll be very interesting.
Maybe I'm a bad multitasker. मैं थोड़ा सा multi-talented हूँ, गा लेता हूँ, लिख लेता हूँ, compose कर लेता हूँ, acting कर लेता हूँ, anchoring कर लेता हूँ, लेकिन अभी मैं सिर्फ anchoring करना चाहता हूँ People's Choice Awards में. कुछ nominations हैं मेरी जो इस काफ़ी categories में हैं. Let's see how it goes. I think I'll be too nervous on stage because I'll be looking forward to those awards. इसलिए मैं dance और गा नहीं पाऊँगा फिलहाल. As of now, I'm just anchoring.
Awards make you feel really good, you know, because all of us put in so much work into our films. And also it gives a sense of healthy competition, which I think should exist in every field. Because then you want to do the best that you can. And it's great to see, you know, your films nominated, yourself nominated, your co-actors or technicians nominated. It's always a great feeling. And I think especially because it's people's voting, like Raji said, it won't be, there will not be any biases. It'll be truly what the audience likes, and I think I'm really looking forward to see that.
ये अब लोग ही डिसाइड करेंगे कि सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे किस कैटेगरी में पसंद करना चाहते हैं, एज अ डेब्यू एक्टर और अ डेब्यू सिंगर और लिरिसिस्ट और अ कंपोजर. किसी में मिल जाए आई बी मोर देन हैप्पी, बट आई थिंक माई अवार्ड जो मुझे मिलना था मिल गया है क्योंकि माई फिल्म इज़ अ सुपर हिट.